In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select cells in Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a versatile tool that many of us use daily for managing data, organizing information, or collaborating with others on various projects. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to select and manage cells efficiently is crucial. So let's dive into it. To begin, open your Google Sheets document. This can be done by going to your Google Drive or directly typing sheets.google.com in your browser's address bar and selecting the specific document you want to work with. Once your sheet is open, make sure you're in the right sheet if your document contains multiple sheets. Now let's talk about selecting a single cell. Simply click on the cell you want to select. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue border around it. This is handy for when you plan to enter or edit data in just one specific spot. When you need to select multiple cells, the process is just as straightforward. Click on the first cell of the range you need, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the last cell of the range. This action will highlight all the cells in between and including the two you clicked. It's a quick way to handle multiple entries or changes at once. If your task requires selection of non-adjacent cells, Google Sheets also makes this easy. After clicking on your first cell, hold down the Control key or Command key on a Mac and click on each additional cell you want to select. Each cell you choose will remain highlighted, even if they aren't next to each other. Sometimes, you might need to select an entire row, column, or even the whole sheet. To select a full row, simply click on the row number on the left-hand side of your sheet. Alternatively, to select a whole column, click on the column letter at the top. For selecting the entire sheet, click the small gray square at the top left corner between the row labels and column headers. This can be incredibly useful for applying functions or formatting across large datasets. Remember, mastering these selection techniques will significantly enhance your efficiency while working with Google Sheets. It saves time, reduces errors, and ensures precision in your work. With these skills in your toolkit, you're well equipped to handle data-rich tasks with ease. I hope you found this guide helpful. As you continue exploring Google Sheets, these methods for selecting cells will become second nature, helping you to work smarter and more effectively. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spreadsheeting.